Mhlonishwa uPhantsi sikubingelele mfowethu sikwabukele kuKhozi Ekseni.
Ngibingelele Mthiya, ngibingelele abaleli bokhozi, in particular amalunga eqembu le-National Freedom Party. Good morning.
Mfowethu asikelele kuludaba kuyilona olutrendayo kulezi insuku. Mhlawumbe siqale ngalo ama-elections. Hambe kanjani ngeso lenu le-NFP? Nabuke ekhululekile kukhetho lambe kahle?
There are discrepancies Mthiya, kodwa ukubuka kwami ngivakashele zonke ikhungo bengihamba, yonke into ibihamba ngomumo ukuthi nje abantu bakithi did go and vote in numbers. Asikwazi ukuthi kubhalisa abantu close to 28 million kuvote only 16 million. Do you see the difference? Ufanele abantu abangayanga, and we have to be concerned with why people are not showing up yet. There is a need to elect a new leadership.
Amazi umukuyiposition mholi yokuveza ukusebenzisana kwakho nohulumeni wesifundazwe saKwaZulu-Natal because bekuwena umuntu ombeki wenkosi kwase kufika isikhathi sokuthi ukhethe sabona ukuthi ukhethile nakhetha kanjani okwanani ivumelane ngakho kusahamba ngakho kuze kube manje
esazivumelene ngakho kodwa ngiyafisa ukuthi lapho ukhozeni silungise lokhu kukhuluma khona. Ngiyabonga leli thuba thina njengeqembu le-NFP sathatha isinqumo sokuthi sakuhulumeni oyaphambili. So it was prudent ukuthi sithi masihlangana silalela i-constitution ithi uhulumeni wakha u-50+1. So 50+1 kwisifundazwe sa-KZN it's 41 people. So we chose to listen to the people and we chose ukuthi sinakekela abantu bakithi ngakho sicebo le-NFP sakhetha uhulumeni kwe-IFP, ANC, DA and NFP, which makes 41. It's only on those reasons and no particular reasons of hatred. If the sense of 50+1 namanye amaqembu, which was MK, EFF and NFP, we would have taken a different decision based on policy. Ngiyafisa lokho ukuthi ngicacise ngoba baningi abantu abafonayo out of concern and saying uzondoba NFP ayizonda umuntu. Thina sibuka ipolicy yethu, sabuka imanifesto yethu, sabuka ukuthi abantu bakithi soba kanjani phambili. Nakhona bekungilula but because we are an organization that caters for the people, kwakulula ukuthi egcineni ukuthi masihamba nalo lumbimbi lamaqembu awu4 kuyayeka phambili abantu bakithi sokwazi ukubasiza. Yilesona leso sizathu esenza ukuthi sikhethele olumbimbi, asikho futhi esinye.
Nanti umbimbi senelikhethile abaningi basebeqale beqagula ukuthi wena siyakubona ufungiswa ngoba mayor waseZululand District Municipality boom kuqhamuka umntungwa uMichael Mkhonyovu Khumalo usethatha over njengomeya. Kuzindaba ezehle kahle kunina lezo into benilindele.
One, ngifisa ukucacisa la Mthiya, iqembu le-NFP for a very long time ngikhumbula belingakwazi ungenela ukhetho. Kwaze kwaphokho ukuthi silungise usection 9 kulento umthetho ka-IEC wawukhuluma ukuthi siyabanga singabaholi until sibe nenkongolo. Saba nayo inkongolo ngonyaka odlule, kwakhethekela mina-ke ngenhlanhla yami feeling a very huge responsibility from a giant, the founding president. Ngomhla ka-26 February u-IEC waresponda wasinikeza igunya lokuparticipate. We then took a decision NEC ukuthi fanele ku-redeployeke abaholi, and I was elected or nominated ukuthi fanele ngiyongena eZululand. Ukushintsha umuntu ke Mthiya nabalaleli kune-process yakhona, so we had to wait for i-process. So while i-process was unfolding siqhubekile sanaki inketho, and fortunately for us lento ye-process is yaconclude seyidlulile inketho. Wasekuphoqa ukuthi ke siqhubeke naleyo process ke ngayofunga ke izolo eZululand. To respond to your question, thina njengeqembu le-NFP sipresenta i-coalition negotiation ka-GNU, PGU and GLU. Sayipresenta yacaca. Sasivumelana siyinhlangano zo4 ukuthi ohulumeni basekhaya sizobalungisa, sizongena engxoxweni ukuthi sideploya kanjani njengalamaqembu 4 after umongameli sey-appointile cabinet. Sasingazi-ke ukuthi kuzoba ney'nkinga ey'ngaka kuze kushaya lesikhathi i-cabinet ayikabibikho. So we had packed everything local government. Into eyenzeka izolo eyenziwe i-IFP, i-IFP izenzele yona yodwa. We still going to go kwi-bilateral local government of unity siyoxoxa, but I want to place it on record ukuthi samitha ne-IFP after sesivumelene ukuthi ohulumeni basekhaya sizodila nabo sekune-cabinet likamongameli wezwe. Sabatshela ukuthi sine-interest eZululand, sine-interest kwabanye omasipala, and i-IFP yayinotha leyo nto, yayisithi kithi mase sikhuluma ngohulumeni basekhaya sizodila ngama-NFP. So lokho kwenzakala izolo, it's in the absence of the government of coalition. So sisazoyithola i-explanation from IFP ukuthi why they proceeded, because lapha neZululand i-IFP ayiwenzi u-50+1. Idinga ama-strategic partners awo, which is the DA, NFP and ANC. So they did not negotiate with us. So they owe us that explanation and that clarity in order for us to have a bilateral at local government and honesty-based and trust, because we are operating on trust and we're operating on policy. So lokho abakwenza izolo kusethusile but akusifakile. We are hoping ukuthi mase sihlezi phansi bazoba nencazelo, and if push comes to a shove kunezinye izinto ofanele beyi-reverse ebona in honor and respect of this government of local unity, provincial unity, kuze kuyofika ku-national.
Ngiyajabula ukuthi uyayiveza le, because omunye umuntu bebuka ukuthi uma kuwukuthi abasazanga ukuzonipha i-support nevoti mase kuyokhetha umeya, mhlawumbe lokho ngahamba kuzokudisturba yini iyivumelwane bese ninazo kwizinga le-province?
Vele phela musuwenze into outside ivumelwano, ngoba sayisithatha isivumelwano sokuthi uhulumeni basekhaya sizobabheka sesiqede yonke into. Asikakaqedike yonke into, lokho abakwenzile bazenzele bodwa. Then they owe us that explanation and that clarity. Then we'll take isinqumo sesindawonye soba u4 noma soba u3 laba bathintekayo in terms of governance. Ibona kufanele bethathe inqumo kuze sikwazi ukuya phambili.
Hayi kushubile message ungayishiya kubantu abangamavoters, because enye izinto abantu babe bekhala ngazo ukuthi sifike sivote ngenxa ukuthi sifuna ukukhipha ubani sifake bani, mase sekufika ithuba la sekuvotiwe khona bese kuba ama leaders asehlangana wodwa engalandanga imandate kithina phansi.
Abantu bakithi fanele beqonde ukuthi amaqembu namaqembu arana amaqembu ngomthetho sisekelo Mthiya, and once umuntu wamkhetha umnikeza amandla ukuthi athathe isinqumo ungaphandle wena, but irresponsibility yethu njengabaholi ukuthi mase siqede zonke lezi ingxoxo sekuyiwa phambili sekulethwa intuthuko, iqembu neqembu fanele lihambe liyochazela abantu supporters namalunga alo ukuthi lesi sinqumo sisithathiswe yini. Wapolitiki esengafunda Mthiya ukuthi you will never make everyone happy. Kukhona abasithakasela isinqumo, kukhona abangasithakaseli, but the best thing that you can do as a leader when you take a decision, make sure that you keep the happy constituency, then you try and recruit the unhappy constituency to see what land we are taking for the good for them also.